when I say it, we'll do the no. Okay. And the gold medal for what was it?
Jumping over a stick.
And for the gold
Being
medal
mean to Ramona.
for jumping over a stick, Lewis.
Congratulations.
Ramona's beating his record.
And now the national anthem. National anthem. Oh, you like national anthem? God save us.
Rule France. France is quite good at ruling. Da da France. Da da France. France. France.
God save our Queen. Bye 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 bye.
I stopped 5 minutes ago. And Ramona's probably dead
Unless
now.
you beat the French.
You rescue her. You better rescue her. Yeah.
I sung the Royal Britannia.
I'd like to thank my mum for
France
no, I don't
put
think
in
that.
it a load of times.
I'd like to thank everyone at the picnic today for making my success a reality, helping me train, and helping me become the best in my sport. I'd like to thank Rachel for filming for the second time this amazing opportunity, this amazing award ceremony in this dilapidated old pavilion. I'd like to thank Maddie for the amazing reef. And last of all, I'd like to thank myself, because frankly, I couldn't have won it without me. Thank you. My loyal fans.
Don't forget to thank Ramona.
Oh yeah, I'm Ramona.
This is Ramona.
Cheers, my darling.
I really like it.